What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we have here this Scosche phone holder. All right, so here it is. Here is the phone holder. And interesting enough, when I do a lot of videos on the NSX, I get questions on where did you get this particular phone holder? Now, I'm not going to take credit for this because the previous owner is the one who found what I would call the sleekest, nicest finish that you could add in here. As you know, there is no phone holder in this car. You could put your phone here, you could put your phone here, but if for some reason you needed to see the phone while driving, you can put it here. So this is a great place to have it. It is made by Scosche, and we're just gonna go ahead and unbox this here. So in this little package here, we have the actual holder with sticky on the back to place it where you need to. So you can see here. What also comes inside, that's nice, a different color trim if you want to put the black trim on there. Okay, and we also have this package here. So let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. All right, so in this package here, we have some instructions. We have, let's see here, we got some cleaning wipes, some more papers and instructions. For magnetic application direct to phones. Okay. If desired, add this sticker directly to the phone before the metal plate to assist in plate removal. Okay, so if you're going to put this directly on the back of the phone, you're going to put this first and then apply that to that. And here we also have a smaller magnetic extra adhesive and the plate. So here's how this would work in theory here. So if I take a phone, I, in theory, should be able to open this up, find a location of my choosing that I like. So let's say I want to put it right there. Get that secured in place, and we should be able to attach the phone. So once you've chosen a location for your metal plate, whatever that is, this is for demonstration purposes as it's not permanently on there. You would put it in place, and then you could do this when you get in the car. You can just attach your phone. You can, change the direction however you'd like, and we're in business. So that is the Scosche MagicMount. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and find a great use of application, whether it's in the NSX or in another vehicle, because it is much better than having the clips, the phone holders that clip to the vent. Definitely don't like that setup, as you know, these things can actually break. But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.